galing na.
Our drone show is starting.
Ay, ano ang sabi? Ay! Bermuda! Ay, naku, ang ganda. Flag! Flag pala yun yan ng Bermuda. Kala ko kung ano. Diba, ang galing naman, oh. Amazing, guys. Ay, ang ganda.
About a place where he lives, and an iron bird. Meet a little longtail. His name is Curly. There's just one problem. He's come home too early. See, longtails don't return until early spring. But now Curly is stuck here with an injured left wing. He must get back home. He simply can't stay. He must return to his family for Christmas dinner.
Ay, wow! Galing! Ano yun?
Who can he ask?
Tao! Ay,
Gambit. He moves to the beach. Look at the way he dances his feet. Excuse me, said Curly. Can you help me, please? I'm stuck in Bermuda and it's too cold for me. I know a guy who can fly, said the man in the mask when the longtail asked. He wears a red coat and drives a big sleigh. He is the man who can take you away if you must get back. Up in the south.
Ang galing din, no?
Said Curly.
Paano yun nagawa?
Didn't you know? Said the man. I'm a Bermuda gumby.
Ay, ang galing, galing naman. Flowers. Ganda, oh. Paano yung nagawa? Ang galing naman.
When he stumbled upon our national flower.
National flowers nila yan? Ano na naman yun? Ano yan? Ah? Flora.
And another flora called his eye.
Flora. Nanalo yan sa ano? Sa running, di
Her
ba?
last name is Duffy. She's an Olympic hero. But Curly's chance of catching up to her was zero.
Ang galing naman nila, guys. Ang galing nila. Ano kaya yung sunod? Ano yan?
Poor Curly was shivering.
Oh!
Catch a chill.
Sino nga itong pangalan nito?
Champion, boxer Clarence Hill. You lost, little guy? Said Clarence to the bird. I am, said Curly. But maybe you've heard about a guy with a sleigh and a sack full of toys for all of Bermuda's good girls and boys?
Ay, ay. Ay. Ano yan? Ano yan? Suklay? Ice cream? Laro na lang ito. Ay, yung ano, baseball?
I have, said Clarence, and I have just the ticket. But first come join me in a fun game of cricket.
Cricket pala. Sa atin kasi baseball.
Hill said you should come back early this August and stay for Cup Match celebrations and Emancipation Day. I will, said Curly, when the season is best. But for now, I must get back to my quest. So off Curly hopped, past the Bermuda Regiment troop, who marched their way onto an old Bermuda sloop. What boat is this? Said Curly in awe. It's the prettiest ship that I ever saw. It's a sloop, said a sergeant. That's what it's named, for which Bermudians were globally famed. It's a centuries-old design with triangular sails.
Yan yung drone, no?
Nagano? Quite a trail. An island of mariners, boat makers,
Para
and
dalawa
sailors,
sila doon.
privateers and boat captains, and even some whalers.
Tapos na. Ano yon? Airplane.
Then all of a sudden, a sound in the sky. Curly looked up and a seaplane flew by. Is that the guy with the sleigh? Curly asked hopefully. No, said the sergeant. That's a plane for the sea. Doing wartime missions and getting passengers here fast. It's all a big part of Bermuda's maritime past. Now something else in the sky, said Curly with a cry. What is it? I don't know. Could it be snow?
Where the treetops glisten and children
Hi, Lizard.
Snow in Bermuda, said Lizzie the lizard. Next thing you know, there'll be a big blizzard. The snow kept on snowing, and Curly put on a sweater. Lizzie was calling out to him now. He better go get her.
Galing naman. Ngayon pa lang ako nakakita.